Hi everyone, this is Danny for Cupcakes Gourmet. Welcome to my channel, and if it's the first time you're here, please have fun and learn something cool. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use the Easy Eyes by Silvia Mancini. But before we start the video, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button so you can get notified. And today's video is dedicated to Bummy Bev79 that left me a little message. So I was pretty excited to see this. I actually talked to Silvia and said that I was in love with those little easy eyes and I wanted to try where I could find how do I do it, and then I got them to try, and it's so super cool. We have like the extra small, the cartoon, the princess eyes, and the eyebrow ones, and I'm gonna show you guys kind of pretty fast what they can do and what they are. And tomorrow he's gonna go up on my channel the little baby face tutorial with the easy eyes, so you can see really in something. But I'm just gonna play around and show you guys how that works. So you start making the face, get your clay, mark the eyes. I'm not gonna go over making the face perfect because I will put in the next videos how to use it. But this is so cool because you have tons of mark eyes kind of things and tools, but you never really know how far apart they need to be, if they are straight and if they're in the right place. With this easy eyes, it's so literally easy because he marks both at the same time. Marks then line up, they are exactly the same place, and it's just so cool. You can mark them down and make the insert, like put it white and make a hole and put the white to top, or you can just paint it. But I'm gonna show you guys tons of different ways, and this one is the little girl's one, and I'm just this is the extra small one. So you see, then I put it on and then I put a little white and I go over on top again. I feel then for this, it looks perfect, full, and it's not like then your eyes are popping up, like too thick. And then just go with the silicone tool around, just if I want to make even the eyes look more perfect. But like the tool put in for you in the right place, right symmetry, right line up, so it makes your life easier. I'm always not sure when I make something if they are perfect size, perfect line. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of all of the sizes we have. This is it's still the small one. The small one has 3 sizes, and you see that it's pretty simple. You mark that, push down, and it's right there. I don't need even to put the white clay if I don't want right now. I can just paint over. You can use painting over with acrylic paint. You can use with your clay. Put in the white with clay, and then the little circle with blue, green, brown, whatever the color is, and just put it over. So this extra small, I kind of like it to put it on and push down the clay again, so it makes the perfect insert where the eyes, the white is. But you can get your own little way to use them. I just want to say that this video is not sponsored. I'm just trying because I was so happy and I really want to try as soon as I saw it. So now we're going to try the cartoon. The cartoon comes with 4 different ones. As you can see, comes all the explanation for you, the instructions, which one they have extra, how big they are, even a little tip and how to make the face, where to put it, how many grams you need, all of that little goodie information for you. And I know then they're gonna have soon place for you to buy here in US, so it's gonna be pretty cool for everybody that want to try as well. I'm using the cartoon. So you see, then there's the 1, 2, 3, and 4 that just show you the different sizes, and you can make as big as small as you want to be. Then if you're making a baby or things like that, cartoons generally has the bigger eyes, so you can pick the size. You can see if you're making a princess and things like that. You still use the cartoons, other than if I'm making like a little princess, like I don't know, a bunch of different ones that has little tiny eyes. We have the one that's for little girls' eyes, then little princesses in girl's face, then it's pretty cool as well. So in this one, instead just putting the white on top, I marked it, and now I'm pushing down all the clay that's inside that circle, you know, the marks of the eyes I made, because then I can really put like a lot of white clay and mark the eyes. So that would depend on how you like it. Some people like to do that, some people like just to paint. And this is the girl one, and you can see that it's more like a cat eye princess look, and it's perfect for a lot of Disney princesses. And there's 3 different sizes, I think, but as you can see, it makes that really perfect cat eyes without you need to worry about if they're the same size, same shape, sense, you know, especially cat eyes. And this one is the eyebrow one. Comes with 3 different ones. The more than a princess one, more like a worry, more like a cartoon, at least in my point of view. But as you can see, that's Elsa's face, or can be Moana's face. You can use those eyes for that too. Look how perfect it is. It plays exactly around the nose, how space they need to be, and it's so cool. And the eyebrows can mark them, and you can even paint, or you can also put a little bit of clay on the top of them, so you know where you need to place them. Because if you put the eyebrow too on the forehead, it's gonna look weird. Too close to the eyes, it's gonna be out of place. So that makes really easy and simple for you to do. As you can see, I'm showing I made the indentation with the clay, and I'm just going over my white and cover and making perfect. This is more like if I was going to paint with the acrylic paint, I would do that, push all the excess in the middle to inside, and then put the white, because that gives me a straight perfect canvas. As you can see, Moana's face, I can use that as well, and it's pretty cool. You can use so many and so many different faces, even though there are 3 sizes each. You can switch around. And tomorrow I'm gonna show you guys how to make this baby girl with the easy eyes as well. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give me that thumbs up, and come back tomorrow. Bye.